Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video we are going to learn about how to convert a normal image into a sketch image using Python. Using OpenCV library we are going to add the filters to our input image, and after applying the filters our picture look like this. So this is our output. Let's see what filters we are going to use in this video. For converting a normal image into a sketch image using an OpenCV library, we need 4 different type of filters. First filter is gray filter. Using this filter, we are going to convert an image into a gray color. Second filter is inverted filter. This filter is used to convert the image into a negative form. And third filter is blurred filter. Using this filter, we can add some amount of blur to the input image. So this is the process that we are going to do in this video. Let's start the code. First of all, you need to import the OpenCV library and create a variable called as image. In this variable, you need to read the image. That means we are going to insert the input image for doing the image processing. And we need to add those filters to our input image, declare a variable called as gray image, and in this variable, we need to change the image color into a gray color. After that, we need to add the next filter, that is an inverted filter. We need to change image into a negative form, declare a variable called as inverted, and in this variable reduce the value 255 from the previous variable. This helps you to convert the gray color image into your negative image by reducing this value from the previous variable. So you can understand this is how the image processing can be done in Python. Every variable that I created here, it mentions the filters that we are using in this image processing. Next, we need to blur out the image. There are so many blur filters are available in the OpenCV library. But in this tutorials, we use the Gaussian blur from the OpenCV library to perform this blur process. When you are going to do the image processing task, you need to remember all these steps. And the last one is inverted blur. For applying this filter, we need to reduce the color value 255 from the blurred image. This is used to apply the filter inverted blur in our image. And next, you need to create a variable called as pencil sketch, and in this variable you need to write cv2.divide. This is an object. In this object you need to divide the two variables that hold our color values. The first variable is gray variable, that is divided by the inverted blurred variable. These combinations make our image as a pencil sketch formation. That is our output, and finally save the image. And that's all. Let's check out the output. So this is the required output that we want. That's all about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you.